told you about amazing Samsung Galaxy S9 with 95% screen-to-body ratio display. After the great success of Galaxy S8 with game-changing design, rumors suggest the Samsung has already started working on the S9, so here we have conceptualized a next Galaxy flagship with the design language of the S8 but yet much more refined version with slimmer bezels, better screen-to-body ratio and screen-integrated fingerprint scanner. Talking about the specification, the Samsung Galaxy S9 is expected to feature 5.8-inch 4K AMOLED Infinity display with 18.5:9 aspect ratio and 95% screen-to-body ratio. It will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset with 6/8 of a GB of RAM. The camera department will feature 12MP dual camera module on back, while the front camera is expected to 8MP camera. The design will be metal glass with IP68 water and dust resistant. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more. Thank you.